Hello guys, my name is Armin. Today in our series Go Back to Basics in SketchUp, I want to show you the Move tool. So Move tool is one of the most used tool in SketchUp. You can use it in multiple ways and it's basically help you expedite the process of modeling when you are modeling complicated items in SketchUp. So without further ado, let's jump into SketchUp, see how we can use the Move tool. Locations to access the Move tool, one of them is going to be the default toolbar. Also, you can right click on the toolbar, get a large tool set. You'll see the Move tool shows up. The next location, you can head to the Tools tab, and down you can see Move, and the shortcut key is M for Move tool. So right here I have a few basically objects over here with the different properties, and I want to share with you how we can use pre-select and select. So you can hover over, you can move it up and down. That's going to be the surface. The item is not selected, right? So basically you just click the surface, move it up and move it down, and also you can give it a precision, like a 5 feet or so is going to go up. If you grab an edge or a corner, it's going to behave differently, right? So if I select the whole object and hit the Move tool, it's going to basically you kind of move everything up and down, and also you can move it side to side. So all the objects, all the components with the object is going to move within one. But if you not select and you get the point, you can see how it behaves, right? So basically you can move the object, and down here you can see there's going to be an auto unfold. You can hit the Alt Control to turn it on and off. I do not see any difference in the 2D, so probably in the 2D version is not going to make a difference, but when you go to a 3D, that's going to change. So we have two different objects here. I want to show you how they behave with the unfold, auto unfold. So if you have a rectangular, because you have a 6 areas, you can kind of move them, and easily you can create different geometry. Like right here you can see we can create a ramp. You can also grab each surface and basically move them to the side. And if I hit the unfold button, it's not going to make any difference. But if I go to the cylinder right there, so the auto unfold is not on, but if I make it on, then I can move it to a different direction and create a different geometry. So basically it's going to change based on different objects that you have, how the unfold button it's going to be turned on and off. And you guys can see I'm trying to kind of turn it on and off, move it different areas with the surface, and also with the points, with the edges, so you guys can see how it's going to affect the object. So let's jump into the next one, which is a grouped object. So this is going to be different. This is going to be used mostly when you guys are using, so you can copy easily by hitting the control point. You can leave one and you can add the distance. We put 25 feet and it's going to create a copy 25 feet. Also the next one, right now, if you type a number and backslash or divide, basically it's going to put the numbers at 3 different spaces, equal spacing, and it's gonna create a multiple copy in that distance. So let's do another trick. So I'm gonna control select all of them. I'm gonna go to the Move tool. I'm gonna get it in the middle, hit control, leave a copy, go 25 feet. It's gonna basically place it 25 feet away, and right now I'm gonna type and don't get out of the command. So all of these works when you are in the command, Move command. So ×2, it's gonna basically follow the same spacing that I defined and give me another copy. So right now I already have all of those. Right now I'm gonna put the divider, and basically can create a multiple copies with the same direction. So let me show you something else here. So let's say if I want to select just one, make a copy goes all the way up. I'm going to use inferencing in SketchUp, right? So this is going to be the same thing. I put it over there and then creates times 7 copy, same distance. And right now I'm gonna select the other 3 for inferencing right here, and I'm not gonna even select the object. I'm gonna select the object on the other side so I can get the same distance. So Control, and right now times 7, bam, is gonna create basically the same object. So we got to make sure you follow the same distance, and when you hit times 7, it basically gives you 7 copies with the same distance. And you can also use inferencing for 2D object with the surface and the edge. So I can select the whole thing, I can go to the move tool, I can select at the bottom of the different object and go up and down, and basically it's going to give me exactly where that item is. You can also use the precise dimension, right? You can type a number and hit enter, and basically it's gonna place it for you. Thank you guys for watching today's episode in Go Back to Basics series in SketchUp. If you like the content, please subscribe and leave a like, and let me know in a comment section down below if you are using this tool in a different way. I would like to put together a video that shows the tips and tricks that you use, and we can share it with everyone. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.